Welcome to our channel. In this video, I have discussed about the latest research revealing how activities as simple as walking can lead to larger brain volumes in critical areas like gray matter, white matter, and the hippocampus, and few information about Alzheimer disease. But before I get started, I would like to request that if you enjoy it, please hit the bell icon, leave a comment to share your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. In our busy lives, finding time to exercise can be tough, but exercising is not just about having a fit body. Recent research found a cool link between regular exercise and a bigger brain, especially in areas important for memory and thinking. The hippocampus helps us remember things, and the prefrontal cortex is in charge of decision making and solving problems. Researchers did a big study on different people and found that those who exercised more had larger hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. It's like the brain grew more in these areas. When we exercise, our heart pumps more blood to the brain, giving it more oxygen and nutrition. This is like a power boost of our brain cells. Exercise also releases feel-good chemicals in our brain, making us feel better and improving how we think. Regular exercise helps in making a substance called BDNF, which helps in the growth and upkeep of our brain cells. Exercise helps lower stress by releasing happy chemicals, making our brain stronger and more resilient. If you are new, start with simple things like walking or cycling for 20 to 30 minutes a day. The key is to be consistent with regular, not super intense workouts. A recent study found that staying physically active is closely connected to keeping our brains healthy. Scientists studied brain scans from a massive 10,125 people and discovered that even simple activities like walking can make certain parts of our brain, such as gray matter, white matter, and the hippocampus, larger. This is important because it suggests that exercise not only lowers the risks of dementia but also helps in maintaining the size of our brains. Regular exercise is linked to larger brain volumes, especially in areas important for memory and information processing. Simple activities like walking, even with fewer than 4,000 steps a day, have positive effects on brain health. Let us talk something about Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurodegenerative disorder that primarily affects the brain, leading to a decline in cognitive functions such as memory, thinking, and reasoning. It's the most common cause of dementia among older adults. Alzheimer's disease is a progressive brain disorder that causes a gradual decline in memory, cognitive abilities, and the ability to carry out everyday activities. The disease is characterized by the accumulation of abnormal protein deposits, including beta amyloid plaques and tau tangles in the brain. These deposits disrupt communication between brain cells and cause their death. Early symptoms often include memory loss, confusion, and difficulty in performing familiar tasks. As the disease progresses, individuals may experience language problems, impaired judgment, and personality changes. Age is the primary risk factor, and the likelihood of developing Alzheimer's increases with advancing age. Genetics, family history, and certain lifestyle factors may also play a role. Diagnosis is typically based on a combination of medical history, cognitive assessments, and ruling out other possible causes of cognitive decline. Advanced imaging techniques and cerebrospinal fluids analysis may also be used. Currently, there is no cure for Alzheimer's disease. Treatment aims to manage symptoms and may involve medications, lifestyle interventions, and support for individuals and their families. Alzheimer's is a progressive condition with stages ranging from mild cognitive impairment to severe dementia. The duration of the disease varies, but it often spans several years. Alzheimer's not only affects individuals but also places a significant emotional and practical burden on families and caregivers. It can lead to challenges in daily care, financial stress, and emotional strain. Research is ongoing to better understand the causes of Alzheimer's, develop effective treatments, and explore preventive measures. Regular physical activity provides benefits that protect the brain, leading to larger brain volumes. This includes areas like gray matter, processing information, white matter, connecting different brain regions, and the hippocampus, essential for memory. Exercise not only lowers the risks of dementia, but also helps in maintaining brain size, which is crucial as we age. George Perry, the editor-in-chief of the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease, emphasizes that, along with others on diet, stress reduction, and social connection, proves the benefit of drug-free factors in reducing Alzheimer's disease. So, regular physical activity positively impacts brain health. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful or entertaining, I would like to receive your support. Please give it a like, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel.